2018 Dodge Grand Caravan, the minivan that started it all. This brand new 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE comes with traction control, remote keyless entry, AC, touring suspension, rear child safety locks, reclining front bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, electronic stability, and so much more. This 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus is on a good deal and priced to move. Come in and check it out today. Compare our vehicles and reputation to others and see the difference for yourself. Everything we do is focused on providing absolute clarity so that you can make an informed decision and buy with confidence, worry-free. All prices are all-inclusive, only tax and licensing extra. No hassles, no haggles, no hidden admin or other fees, just our best price, first. Real pictures and full vehicle descriptions are provided for over 1,200 in-stock vehicles to help you with your research, and we ship seamlessly all across Canada. To simplify your experience, our financial advisors will take the ambiguity out of the financing or leasing process, and help ensure you get the lowest rates possible for any credit situation. When it's time to service your vehicle, remember that we service all makes and models, and with 30 service bays, it will be as quickly and efficiently as possible.